Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville BES870XL espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the micro switch, the one that is located on the grinder. This switch is no longer available from the manufacturer. We were able to find this replacement. The difference between this one is not, it's a push switch and push activating switch, and this one is just a push switch, which means that in order to actually use the grinder, you will have to use the automatic functions of the grinder. You will have to click it twice, and to use the manual one, you will just have to click it only once. As you can see, that's the automatic one, and this will be the manual one, and it will start running until you press the buttons again. So that's the main difference between this micro switch and the other one. But like I said, the original micro switch is not available from the manufacturer. So starting with this, we're gonna tamper it and hopefully get a good shot of espresso. Might not have tampered hard enough because I'm doing it with one hand. We're gonna be using the double one. As you can see, grinder is working perfectly fine with excellent crema coming out of the machine. Really great espresso shot. Yep, really wonderful shot of espresso. And just a recap. Sorry, so you have to move it in my hand. So just to recap, for the manual grind, you will have to push it once, and when you want to stop it, you have to push it again. And for the automatic one, you have to push it twice. Execute the grinding time. There you go, the automatic function, and again the manual one, one click, and you will have to start with another click, and the automatic with 2 clicks. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.